All right, so we talked about voltage controlled sources. Now we're going to talk about current controlled sources. I'm sure you could have guessed that there will be a current controlled voltage source, and there will also be a current controlled current source. And what do they look like? Well, typically they just look like the exact same old source, but instead of having some inputs, we're just going to write the gain value directly as the current that we're interested in multiplied by the gain value. Okay, so for the voltage source, I might be interested in some current over here in my circuit. Let's say that this current was 1 milliamp. I would just say that that was called let's call it IG in this case. So then I would take IG multiplied by whatever my gain is, and then that value would give me my voltage source rating. So let's say that it was 1 milliamp times a gain of 1,000. This would be 1,000. This would be 1 milliamp. Then my voltage source would become a 1 volt source. So if I tied this to ground, then I would get 1 volt here. Pretty straightforward. Controlled current source, probably no surprises here. Very similar. If I have my current that I want to multiply by my gain, I'm going to have some current somewhere else in my circuit. Let's say in this case it was 2 milliamps somewhere else in my circuit that I'm interested in, and I'll call this IH, I guess, just because. And so if my gain is, let's say my gain is 3,000 in this case, and I have IH here, 2 milliamps times 3,000 would give me, oh, sorry, that's probably not a good idea. Let's do a gain of 3 for the current controlled source. I was thinking about voltage. Okay, 2 milliamps times 3 would give me 6 milliamps, and so I would have 6 milliamps flowing in and out of this current controlled source. And so in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and solve an example using a current controlled current source. Or sorry, it doesn't have to be a current controlled. It could be either one of these. I'll probably do the current controlled voltage since I did current in the previous video.